Well, welcome back with an update on this winter storm, which may be final update for this one. There's a reason I'm saying that. You'll see it later in the video. But nonetheless, main event is currently in eastern New England, and then you got the lake effect snow coming in at the back end, which will just amplify accumulations. So, yeah, tomorrow may be final update on this one, actually. But, ooh, little scroll line over here. Well, the only chunk of land I see at risk of any severe weather with this thing would be Bermuda, right there. But, nonetheless, let's go to accumulations, which will get bombarded with notifications there. But, as you can see, there's a majority appears to be 1 to 5 inches, but there's places 5 to 12 inches. Well, they're seeing accumulations up to a foot, mostly towards the Mount Washington area of New Hampshire, and the totals will only go up with the lake effect snow coming in. Now, to the reason why I'm saying it's final update for this snowstorm. There's another system in North Dakota, Minnesota, Manitoba, and Saskatchewan area. But, yeah, this is going to be another system which will bring more snow for this area. And, well, snow shouldn't be long-lasting, but there may be more coming in tomorrow and whatnot. And this is actually expected to go south, apparently? This is going south. I expect it to go this way. But that would probably explain why the snow is changing more to rain. As it's moving south, it gets to warmer areas. So let's get to the accumulations. Mostly 1 to 5 inches, but parts of Manitoba's seeing 5 to 8 inches, maybe more locally. But nonetheless, wouldn't be surprised if Bismarck and Fargo sees a few flakes. Barks Elder may see a few with this little pocket, I guess. Minneapolis may see a few flakes too. The Minneapolis-St. Paul area. Vermilion would be a bit of a stretch, though. Vermilion, Sioux Falls area, that would be a bit of a stretch. But nonetheless, that does seem to be it for this one, and that would be it for it all. Well, it looks to be a little bit of a mix going up here in the just east of Stanley. There's like nothing there, though. There's like no one there, it seems like. But nonetheless, this little bit here will likely be final hurrah of winter for many. So, but then again, can't rule out a few blizzard conditions in the Rockies throughout the rest of spring, which may include Denver. But nonetheless, this is it for now. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.